Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most shocking and dramatic revelations from the new Season 7 trailer of The Kardashians. Kim Kardashian has stunned fans and viewers with an emotional confession that someone extremely close to her once arranged to have her harmed. The chilling moment has already become the biggest talking point from the trailer, and it raises so many questions about trust, betrayal, and the pressures of living life under a microscope. The teaser begins with Kim visibly emotional, speaking directly to the cameras in a confessional moment. She recalls being told by investigators that someone within her inner circle, someone she considered close, was behind the terrifying plan. Fighting back tears, she says, "I was told someone extremely close to me put a hit out on my life." That single sentence sets the tone for the entire trailer, leaving fans both shocked and worried for her safety. Throughout the clip, Kim is seen deeply shaken, admitting she was terrified out of her mind during the ordeal. The family, who are no strangers to dramatic headlines, appear equally concerned. Kendall Jenner is shown commenting that everyone's kind of on edge, highlighting how the entire family felt the ripple effects of Kim's revelation. Meanwhile, Kylie Jenner shares her own unsettling experience, telling Kris Jenner and Scott Disick that she once heard footsteps coming into her room. These added details only intensify the sense of fear and tension within the household. The trailer also gives viewers brief glimpses of law enforcement involvement, emotional family discussions, and hints of other dramatic storylines. But it's clear that Kim's revelation overshadows everything else, making this one of the most suspenseful and personal seasons yet. Kim is later heard in the trailer saying, "I'm happy it's over," suggesting that the situation has been resolved but also leaving behind an unshakable scar. What's especially interesting is the mystery surrounding who this close person might be. The trailer doesn't provide names, and naturally, this has sparked widespread speculation. Fans are already sharing their theories online, with some suggesting it could involve people from her past, while others think it might be someone unexpected. The lack of clarity makes it even more haunting, because betrayal often comes from where you least expect it. This isn't the first time Kim has faced danger or high-stakes threats. Longtime fans will remember her traumatic 2016 Paris robbery, an event that has shaped how she approaches security and trust ever since. The fact that she's once again opening up about danger and betrayal shows just how raw and vulnerable this season is likely to be. Season 7 promises more than just glamour, fashion, and family feuds. It looks ready to explore fear, resilience, and the complexities of living in the public eye. While fans often tune in for lighthearted moments, this storyline underscores the very real risks that come with fame and the heartbreak of realizing that danger might come from those closest to you. The new season is set to premiere on October 23, 2025 on Hulu, with availability on Disney Plus in some regions. And judging by the trailer, viewers can expect a season filled with not just family dynamics and personal growth, but also shocking revelations that will keep everyone talking. So, what do you think about Kim's revelation? Who could this close person be, and how do you think the family will handle it moving forward? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take on this. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and breakdowns of everything happening in the Kardashian world, and make sure to hit that like button if you found this story interesting. Until next time, stay tuned for more.